The nation's report card is out in math, and no surprise, we are still woefully behind in our math capabilities. In 8th grade, only 28% of our students in the United States are competent in math. This is, yes, 2 percentile points higher than we were in 2022, but that was after an 8-point drop. But when you peel the onion, what's interesting is we've really just widened the gap between the very capable and those that are at more risk, meaning that those that are more capable have actually improved in math, and those that are less capable in math have gone down in math even further, which means we have an even bigger performance gap between our achievers and non-achievers. What does this mean? We need to do something to build our skills in math. And it's not more of the same because it's not working. From 2019 to 2024, we have not increased our abilities. So we need to do something different. Number one, targeted skill building, not spreading it across everything, but really understand what is underlying the weakness in math. Second of all, customized learning plan, really tailored to that individual student in terms of what that individual student needs. One-on-one attention. Math skills cannot be built by doing, once again, spreading it across the masses. We need to teach one-on-one, minimally small group to really address these skill gaps that we're identifying. And beyond the math skills, let's understand what cognitive skills are preventing them from being able to understand and learn math easily and building those cognitive skills. If your child is behind in math or just not getting math or is starting to fear math and have an anxiety for math, get help. It's not too late. It's never too late, even if your child is in 8th grade and still struggles with math.